Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? All right, so we're gonna have a look at what's going on with Bitcoin, guys. We got the inflows are going crazy on the ETFs, combined with the market already going nuts. Fantastic setup, guys. We're gonna talk about it. Let's have a look across the market here. Jasmy, down 3.8% on the day, up 18.8 on the week, up 43.5 on the month, and down 6.8 on the year, down 2 spots in rank to 79. $829 million market cap, 46 million in volume. Swiftcoin having itself a time, up 15% on the day, 23.5 on the week, 64.5 on the month, and 229% on the year, up 2 spots in rank to 249. 22 spots ranked to 249. $161 million market cap. Guys, just 2 days ago, the volume was only like 1.5 million. It is at $14.70 million. You'll love to see it. XCN, little bit of a correction, down 4.5 on the day, up 9.7 on the week, 94.7 on the month, and 795 on the year, down 2 spots in rank to 100. A $639 million market cap, 40 million in volume, and Zbeck beast mode. 3 days ago, people were scared and they were emotionally selling their Zbeck, and now it is up 23% on the day, 25.5 on the week, 22.5 on the month, only down 55 on the year. We're up 56 spots in rank to 340 today, a $96.9 million market cap, 14 million in volume. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. What's going on out there? It looks right now, if things stay the way they are, we will in fact close above 94,400. That's fantastic, guys. I want to see us close above 94. Yeah, things are looking good. Things are looking good for progression to the upside next week. We shall see what we shall see. I think a close above 94, we could see some movement to the upside. Will we test 97 to 98K next week? I think yes, but we'll see. We'll keep tracking it, guys. Things are looking good so far. That's all I know. That's all any of us know. Things are looking absolutely delicious. All right, so let's go have a look at the story of the day, shall we? But first, guys, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self Custody Wallet. Get yourselves one today, man. Use our link down below. Get a great deal. You can get yourself the Decent Biometric Wallet. They have a special deal on a 2X. You can get 2 of them on a special deal. Or you can just get the Decent Card Wallet, guys. Use our link down below for a phenomenal deal. Not your keys, not your coins. Do not trust exchanges with your crypto. You can swap right on your Decent wallet, guys, into stablecoin. Take your profits without even having to go to an exchange. Absolutely fantastic. Stake on there and so much more. So, yeah, absolutely awesome. Let's go have a look at the tracking of the M2 money supply here. Looking fantastic as well. As you can see, we front ran the run up over here on the M2 money supply. We're doing the same thing here, guys. This is looking like a monster. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic, guys. I'm so excited for these next couple of months. Oh, man. You have no idea. Things are working out very good there. All right, now let's go check out the main story. So US Bitcoin ETFs see $3 billion in inflows, highest in 5 months. Things are ramping up. You combine that with the market already going, right? Will we see a rate cut next month in May? No, I don't think we will. There's like a 90% chance of no rate cut, but that's already priced into the market. So there's no downside. It's a win-win, right? 0 rate cut is already priced in. And if we, on the off chance that we ended up getting an emergency rate cut, boom, right? Market's going to run. But I think it's going to continue. So what's going to happen here is after after the FOMC and stuff in May, what's going to happen is the market is going to start to price in a rate cut in June. That is the anticipation, is a June rate cut. So that is what's going to cause us to have another reason we're going to have a beautiful run to the upside through May into June is we're pricing in a 25 basis point rate cut in June. So things are ramping up very, very nicely, guys. Bitcoin ETFs break records with 3 billion in weekly inflows. The US spot Bitcoin ETFs have set a new benchmark, attracting over 3 billion in inflows over the past week. This marks the highest weekly inflow in 5 months and stands as the second largest inflow ever recorded for Bitcoin ETFs. This surge showcases growing investor appetite for Bitcoin exposure through regulated and accessible financial products. With Bitcoin prices stabilizing and market sentiment turning positive, ETFs are proving to be a trusted getaway for both institutional and retail investors. So what's behind the surge in Bitcoin ETF inflows? Several factors have fueled this massive influx. Renewed optimism about Bitcoin's future, driven by macroeconomic factors and clearer regulatory signals, has played a key role. Many investors view Bitcoin ETFs as a safer and more convenient way to gain crypto exposure without directly holding the asset. And what that means, guys, is basically, and I've been doing the same consideration here going into the next bull run, I personally am considering switching over to buying my Bitcoin in the bear market via spot ETFs versus self-custody, right? But I want to weigh the pros and cons of that. So I need to go have a meeting with the bank and discuss it further, right? If you want to know details on it and what I'm doing, get over to the Patreon. Major ETFs like BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin Trust and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund have reported significant inflows, further cementing their position in the market. The continued development of the Bitcoin ETF ecosystem indicates growing mainstream acceptance of digital assets. So what this means for the crypto market? Such a large inflow into Bitcoin ETFs suggests strong confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value. As more capital inflows continue into these products, Bitcoin's market stability and credibility are likely to improve. With this momentum, analysts predict that Bitcoin ETFs could become as even larger force in traditional finance, bridging the gap between crypto and institutional investors. Very, very bullish, guys. Now listen, one of the most common questions I'm getting more and more frequently right now is, Rob, when should I be exiting my positions? When should I sell Jasmy? When should I sell ZBEC? When should I sell this, that, and the other thing? Okay, listen, we are setting up group Zoom calls over on the Patreon, guys, for altcoin season. So you're able to hop in and ask me in real time. We can go over your portfolio when things are going parabolic. And you can say, Rob, this is what I'm holding. This is how much I'm holding. And this is how much I'm up. Should I be taking profits? Are we going higher? Can you please help me? And when we take profits, can you help me roll those profits into other projects that haven't run yet, but we can identify as solid plays that are going to continue to compound my gains? That's what we're doing over there, guys. So get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. No other channel is doing what we're offering to our Patreon members. No one else is going to apply that type of dedication and time to their followers, guys, to make sure everyone is getting out with their profits intact. You can also book one-on-one coaching calls if you need a more personal touch. Get in there, get your spot booked in for your one-on-one coaching calls. They're free as a Patreon member. So come on aboard, guys. We drop educational content, micro cap gem videos. We're live every day, and you book one-on-one coaching calls and so much more. So All that being said, guys, the link is down below. Quick like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.